Good morning, Mandelas.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you? How is everybody doing?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Marietta. How are you?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
How are you doing? How is it going, Marietta?
I'm
Good
good, I'm
morning to
good.
you.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, so well, we'll just wait for a couple of minutes for everybody to log in.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure.
And how was football, Munib? Saturday night, how was it?
It
Ma'am,
was good.
really good.
Yes, Sophia, how was it? Tell me.
Really good, ma'am.
Really, how many goal did you score?
Ma'am, 6 all, ma'am.
Wow, that's fantastic.
And there
Yeah.
were two teams, so all of them scored. So it was 6-all.
Oh, that's lovely. And who won?
None, ma'am.
Nobody. It was 6-all. No tie.
No, my girls won, you know.
No.
And do you know who were the stars of that match? Yeah, Munib?
Who?
It was Zainab, Musfira, and Umaima. I mean, imagine you're making those small girls as goalkeepers. You know, one hard kick and they
We
would
did
go
not.
put the football in the net. You know, come on, guys, what is this?
They were only telling that we want to be goalkeepers.
Ma'am,
Because
not
you
our
guys want
problem.
Ask Muskira.
you guys wanted to run around the field. That's why you made
I
those
was
little
playing
girls
defense
goalkeepers.
only. I was not playing forward. I was playing defense only.
Yeah, you are good at defending, right, Munir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fantastic. So there's Mozzam and Mudabbir.
Muazzam Mudabir was not here.
Okay. Okay. So what else did you do for the weekend? Tell me.
What, ma'am?
What did you do for the weekend? What else apart
Um,
from football?
yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. I had a fantastic weekend.
Ma'am, there's
Really,
guests
really
at my
nice.
house.
I enjoyed so much. I met my best friends.
I know, ma'am. You were there with Aparna, ma'am, right?
Yeah. How did you know, Sophia?
I saw you.
Oh, you got special eyes, huh? You got a
Ma'am,
special Avenger eyes that you can see.
not, ma'am, not like that. Because when you're on the video, I got it.
Yeah, you did see me. Yeah, so we all our friends caught up and we met. It was great fun. Okay, so Muslim Muddabir is here. We do have Saklain coming in, and did they attend the first session? Saklain and Humaira Ahmad.
Ma'am, Humaira doesn't attend Mandela class, right?
No. We are going to attend them now.
Tagore class, I mean.
Tago, yes, Tago she doesn't attend,
And
but
first class was Tagore class only.
okay.
So I don't know.
Okay, there she is, Humaira, and I think Ahmad and Saklain will join in. Okay.
Now, where's Alfia, ma'am? Her class, right?
Alfia ma'am wouldn't be coming in today. She'll join you all tomorrow.
Okay.
Don't worry, I won't bore you. Yeah, I know that. So that's the reason I thought,
So, ma'am,
you
it's a
guys would
free
be like,
period.
Arey. Oh, no, it's not a free period, Sophia, darling. It's not a free period. And don't worry, I won't take a session. You'll be like, Arey, again, Shabana ma'am has come. So I thought I'll make it something very interesting for you, and something really nice. There's
Ma'am,
teacher
I
whom
have
I
a
want
question.
you all to meet.
I have a
Yes,
question for
Sophia?
little circle. That
Oh,
letter
you
which you,
have?
yeah, that letter which you
Okay,
gave
okay.
me, there should be a name, now, ma'am. I don't know what name to write.
What name to write?
You said that you have to
Okay.
write a friend, so the friend's name should be there. Na? Then we have so
Yeah.
many friends
So
now.
you can write it to me, Sophia.
Okay, fine.
Because taking class with Mandela, oh my God, I get tired.
And we can write it to
Yeah.
anyone as in friend.
Yes, you can write it to anybody. Okay. Oh, no worries. I love you all,
Even a
Mandela. So
past
don't get
person.
tired at all.
Even a past
Yes,
person.
Yes, yes, yes. No, I think past rather than past is better you write in present, but a person who's living, you could write to that person.
Okay.
Even if you were friends with them long back. Okay. So
Okay.
be ready with it. Today is your last day for submitting the assignment. Okay. And without wasting any further time, let me, Mazam Mutabir, is your video on? Because I can't see you.
Ma'am, I already sent
Oh, my,
Google
yes,
Classroom
Humaira.
the
Humaira,
assignment.
Humaira will, sorry, Humaira?
Ma'am, I already sent the assignment to you on Google.
Yes, yes, I saw it. Mosam was the only one who submitted, and then I saw Mudabbir and Humaira doing. Anyways, it's not my session right now, guys. So, Mosam Mudabbir looking cool as ever. Okay, Saklain, ability, come back from space and let me see you. Cool guy. Okay, cool dude. All right. So, without wasting any further time, let me introduce you to Miss Marietta. She would be taking your English session today. She's been teacher in the Dubai with the IGSE school. She loves English and she loves, teaching and she loves children. Okay. So, Miss Marietta, the floor is all yours. Please continue.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Can you all unmute your mic now? Thank you. Muneeb, could you unmute? Thank you.
Ma'am, if I unmute, you'll hear my sister's voice. She's also attending class now.
Yeah, okay. I'll be calling out your names when I want to put a question across, okay? Today I'm going to take your English class and you are going to give me, with a little twist, you will be giving me the topic, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Farhana, is Farhana here?
Yes,
Farhana, this is for you, okay? You can see what is this?
yes. It's
Can
a
you see
watch.
what it is? Thank you so much. Okay, make up 3 to 4 sentences on this watch. Tell me a story on this watch. Make up a story on this watch.
So, like I just say random sentences.
No, it has to be a little story form. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make up a small thing.
Yesterday I bought this watch. My mother gifted it to me. And I really like the colors and it works properly. And
It's good. It was good. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Muneeb, can you tell me what did she do just now?
She made some sentence. She made some sentences on the watch. She subscribes it.
She described it. Okay. Humaira, you, my dear girl, can you tell me what did she just do just now?
Ma'am,
Humaira, are you there?
yes, ma'am. She described the watch.
She described the watch. Okay. Okay. Today I'm going to teach you. The word is she narrated. She told us from where she bought the watch. So instead of saying telling us, okay, she narrated. Okay, she narrated about the watch. Today I'm going to teach you narrative writing. Narrative writing is a very nice topic. It's a lot of creativity you can put into this narrative writing. Okay, anybody has heard this word, narrative writing? No one? No, you not heard of this word, narrative? I'm so sorry, M and M. What's your full name, please?
Ma'am, our names are Mazam and Mudabbir.
Oh, you're brothers?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's nice. Good. Okay. Mazim, have you heard of this word narrative?
Ma'am, I've heard of narrative essays and I've written some of those.
Oh, that's great. Can you tell me what you have to apply or what you have to put down when you're writing a narrative writing?
Ma'am, we have to describe or narrate the events or the sequence, and it should be a kind of long thing.
Oh, very good. Okay, now we are going to do I'll put up something for you. Give me a minute, my dear children, because when I was in Dubai, I used to use Teams, okay? And now I'm using Zoom. So it'll take me a minute to just share my screen with you, okay? Give me a minute, please. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, now can you see I've written narrative writing? Can you see I've written narrative writing?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Ahmed, Ahmed, are you there? Ahmed, what do you think will be the first step? Ahmed? Here, can you tell me what will be the first step, my dear girl?
What?
What is the first step in a narrative writing or on a
The
story?
topic.
Excellent. Very good. That was good, my dear girl. Now, children, remember, when you're giving your topic name, it is always good to have at least uh, two words or 3 words. Don't go beyond 4 or 5 words. Okay? There is a reason why you have to give, say, the umbrella. Now, you will be wondering, or the broken glass. You will be wondering, what is the story about? And that will make the reader get interested to go further and further down to read your story. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Munib, Munib,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be your second part after giving the topic name? What will be the next part?
You will give introduction what you are writing about, or
Exactly. Very good. Excellent. That you call it as the opening paragraph. Okay. So we'll say that's the second one. First is the topic, then the opening paragraph. Okay. After the opening paragraph, Muddabir. Am I pronouncing your name properly?
Ma'am, Mudabbir.
Okay. Thank you. Can you tell me what will be the next thing, please?
Ma'am, main paragraph.
The main paragraph. Yeah, we call it as the exposition. Okay. Where you give in more details about the story. Am I making myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sophia, can you tell me what is the next part, my dear girl?
The last paragraph.
The last paragraph. Um, Anybody can help her out? Do you think she's right?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
closing paragraph.
Sorry,
The conclusion.
the
Ma'am,
concluding paragraph? No, my dear girl. Now, in a
Closing
narrative
paragraph.
writing, you'll give the rising of the story. The rising of the story is telling you the starting of the problem. Okay? The rising event. Now, there's one more paragraph to be added. After the rising of the event, anybody has a clue what this?
Um,
Muzam, you told me that you written a story. What do you think will come the next part?
Ma'am, the main story or the main thing which we are going to talk about, the problem.
Exactly. Excellent, my dear boy. We call it the climax. Okay, the climax is how the problem has just started. Okay.
Then how the narrator he solves it?
That will come later on. Before that, there's something else, my dear girl.
Um,
Any idea? Try.
the solution.
It got to do with rising.
And how
Rising.
does that narrator find the solution or something? First he finds that
Exactly, my dear girl. Excellent. We call that the falling action. Farhana, what do you think will come next, my dear? Any
The
idea?
the the way the problem is solved and stuff.
The ending paragraph, the closing thing. Okay. Now, children, at the ending paragraph, sometimes the story ends with a happiness. Okay. In order to reward the reader for reading your story. Sometimes it's left in a hung statement. And then, now for you to come about an idea what happens next, for you to make up your imagination.
after
Okay,
the ending you have the about the author. Like if you're writing a book and you're writing a story, then you write about the author in the last page.
the author's thinking. Yes, okay. But today, my dear girl, my dear children, we are only going to take the opening paragraph. Okay, the opening paragraph we're going to do only the setting. I will show you I'll share my PPT with you, and later on I'll give it to ma'am, and then she will share it with you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the topic is we're doing a narrative writing, and we're only doing the opening paragraph. The opening paragraph telling you about describing things. Okay. I'll come back to you now. Yeah. Now, what is the purpose of an opening paragraph? Any volunteer to read for me, please? Anybody would like to read from the screen? Yeah, sure. Go ahead, Sophia.
The main purpose of an opening introductory paragraph is to introduce the story to the reader. The writer gives some contextual on the main focus of the narrative. In this, the writer explains the problem and tells the reader what to expect in the rest of the essay. In this paragraph, it is important to compel the reader to continue reading your narrative essay.
Okay. Can somebody tell me what did you understand from the slide that Sophia read? Udambir, can you answer, please?
Ma'am, in the first paragraph, the writer gives a brief summary of the story. Not summary, like introduction.
Yes, exactly. He doesn't give out his full secret what is going to come down in the story. He just gives a little gist, a little part of the story. Okay. And your brother, can you please explain to me the next second paragraph?
Ma'am, in the second paragraph, he starts talking about he takes the reader towards the problem and starts explaining it.
How it started. Exactly. Very good. I'm so happy, children, you're cooperating with me. That's excellent. Thank you so much. We're going to the next slide. Now, there are many different opening paragraphs, okay? There are many different opening paragraphs. You have the setting for the first paragraph itself, okay? You can start with a setting. You can start with a shocking statement. You can start with a dialogue. You can start with a flash forward or flashback. Okay. The characterizations, the characters, okay, and the events happening in between the story. You can start your story, start the opening, just 2 lines, and then in between you can put the event happening in the story. Okay, that comes in the next paragraph. Okay. Um,
Ma'am, what does
yes,
flash forward and flashback mean?
it means the flashback means you're thinking back what happened when you were 5 years old,
Okay, I got it.
something that happened to you.
I got it, ma'am.
And flash forward is you thinking, when I become 18 years old, what will I do? Got it, my dear?
Yes,
Okay, okay, okay. Munib, can you tell me what is your favorite place?
like a country or just like any place.
Anything, anything, anything. It can be a park, it can be a bedroom.
My
There's
favorite
this
country is
place.
Turkey.
Sorry,
I said my favorite country is Turkey.
I need a place.
There is this place in Mumbai called Wonders Park. I like that.
Ah, you like that, Munib? Okay. Now, can you describe that atmosphere for me? I need you to describe it, okay? Describe the atmosphere.
The atmosphere of the Wonders Park is the place is very much crowded, and you cannot talk if you are very much like in a distance. You cannot talk. You have to come close and talk. So it is a very
Okay.
crowded place.
It's a very crowded
Like a huge
place.
place.
Anybody else would like to put in something?
It's a very fun place.
It's a fun place, okay?
It has
Good.
many rides.
It has many rides, okay? Okay, moving on, children. Now, what do I mean by setting, okay? Uh, what I just described to you was a setting, okay? It's defining the place or a type of surrounding where something is positioned, like you see a giant wheel, or you see trees, or you see birds, and the events taking place there. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in your story, it is very important to show your setting, because the reader, when the reader is reading on your story, the reader will visualize. The reader will think, ah, I can hear the roaring of the sea or the roaring of the thunder, and the imagination has to come to the reader's mind. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you finished reading the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll continue. I am giving you an example now for a setting, okay? Safalin, Saeed, can you please help me to read?
Yes, ma'am. The swell was gently lifting and lowering the boat. My breath grew slower, falling into steps with the cracking of the hull, until I could no longer tell the difference between the faint, rhythmic motion of the cabin and the sensation of filling and emptying my lungs.
Thank you so much, okay? Um, Amina, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain the first line to me, my dear girl? What the reader is telling us? What the writer is telling us, sorry?
The writer was telling that the boat is lifting gently.
The boat is lifting gently. Now, where is the boat, my dear girl? I didn't get you, my dear girl, little loudly.
See,
Deep in this ocean. Okay, it's deep in the ocean. Now see, the writer could just write down there the she, the boat was very calm. See, he written gently lifting. The waves are gently lifting the boat up. The swell means the waves. You understood? The writer could just write the waves were gently lifting the boat up. But here in the narrative writing, you have to put a little of descriptive words. Okay? And also use your adjectives. Here it is telling you this gently. Gently is an adjective, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes. So in a narrative writing, you have to put descriptive words and your adjectives here. Okay? Now the last sentence, okay? The last sentence, can Ahmed, are you there, Ahmed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmed, can you explain the last sentence, please? The last, filling and emptying my lungs. Can you explain that to me? Ahmed?
I can't hear you properly.
Ahmed, can you explain the last line, filling and emptying my lungs? Ahmed, you need a phone a friend?
When breathing, maybe
Ex-
breathing.
exactly, my dear boy. You're breathing. Very good. That's good, Ahmed. A nice try. Filling and emptying my lungs means you're breathing and then you're emptying, you're exhaling back out. Okay? The writer has put it in a very different way. So when you are going to write an opening paragraph, you have to use these type of words. Am I making myself clear here? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
I heard only one child saying yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay. Um, Now I want you to. It's also telling you this the calmness of the sea. Okay, it's telling you the calmness, that how calm the sea was, how gentle it was, the waves. Even you were very calm. Okay. Now I want you to do one work for me. Can you take your paper or a pencil or a pen? Are you ready with me?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to give you one topic, the broken glass. Can you just write me 3 to 4 sentences? You have 5 minutes for that. The opening paragraph, okay? That is going to be your opening paragraph on the broken glass. You can start now, please.
Can you repeat the topic?
The broken glass. Broken glass.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Excellent. We'll give them still more. They have 3 more minutes. Okay.
Ma'am, is this fine if I write like this? The glass was on
No,
the
my dear
table.
girl, wait. Don't give out your thing out. Okay. You write, and then I'll listen to your what you have written, and then I'll give you my input. Okay.
Hmm.
You're finished writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Done, ma'am.
Good. You have last 1 minute, my dear. Those are writing. Okay, let's start. Pens down, please. Munib, can you read? Listening time, please.
Yes, ma'am. Broken glass. Title. Hello everyone. You all know today my sister broke a small cute teacup made up of glass. My sister tried to save it, and then the sound of crack, crack, and then came to my mom and dad. And then everybody came and saw what happened. They saw that my sister was crying that she had broken the glass cup.
Okay, good effort, but I'll come back to you, and later on I'll give you your input. Okay. Um,
Yes, ma'am.
where's Sophia? Sophia,
Can I go?
yeah, please.
The broken glass. It's a title, okay? The glass was on the table, shaking, okay? And my sister was coming running to the table. And because and my heart started beating very fast, I'm explaining it like no, I didn't like that. My sister was coming running to take water in the glass. As she was coming closer, my heart started beating faster because I was afraid the glass would fall on her and she would get hurt and she would start crying. And if my mother hears that, she would shout at us that how dare you break the glass.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, that's nice. Um, uh, Munib,
Yes, ma'am.
can you share your story?
No, I just did before.
Ma'am, can I share?
Munib did it. Yeah. Who's this? Can you give me your name, please?
Amina.
Amina, yes, please.
In the sound of the shatter, I wonder what could have gone wrong in the very corner of the living room. Yes, it was my favorite vase that I had broken by myself. I was really afraid that my mom and dad would come and yell at me, but I tried to hide my mistake, and I successfully did it.
Very good. I like this. I like it. Good. Okay. It's good. Okay. Now I will read how I started my story. Okay. I will tell you how I started my story. I did not write the story. I made my daughter write the story because I made her also sit with this for this lesson. Okay. And I'm going to make her read it out. Okay. Are we ready? Come.
Ma'am, we cannot hear.
I just stopped it. So I picked up every piece of the broken glass as the room was filled with the finest work of arts, each corner ever so beautiful. So magnificent was this place, yet so cold. My eyes began to tear as I looked at an antique piece that was shattered in front of me. The room was now becoming colder as it reflected my pain and fear. Thank you.
You understood now? You followed. You have to put a little of your feelings down there. Munib, you did your best, but I need some feelings to come in more. Munib, can I see you, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to put like you have to give it like the glass is broken. Some fear had to come into that point. You got it, my dear? Amina, you did well. I'm happy about that. Great job. Okay. And Safia. Safia, you had to put in a little more of a little more imagination, my dear. Safia, where are you, darling? Uh, are you with me? Safia, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you had to put a little more of like giving me like how I gave you the swell was gently lifting and lowering the boat. You had to give me something like that in your story. Okay, like you had to give me saying that the room was dark, it was pitch black, and then you heard the sound of the broken glass, and when you went to investigate what happened, and a chill ran up your spine. You got some parts right. I'm happy you made an attempt. Yeah. And this is your first effort. See, but I always teach, I give you all to write. And then you improve on that. And again, you improve on that. And we keep on improving. Okay?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
We have to keep on improving. See, we cannot master a thing on the very first day. You will get some little ideas. But every time you keep on doing your draft up, you keep improving on that. That's why when I take up narrative writing or a descriptive writing, I take it for at least 2 to 3 classes for
Yes,
1
ma'am.
point. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now, where is the two brothers? Can I see you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain to me what did you learn today?
Ma'am, we learned how to start a narrative essay.
Okay.
We learned how to write the opening paragraph.
Okay. And can you, brother, give me all give me some points about we did a plan, right? We did a format, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Can you, brother, tell me how you start writing a narrative writing?
Ma'am, first the title,
Exactly.
then the opening paragraph,
Hmm.
then the exposition,
Wow.
and then the
Ma'am, the rising,
Excellent.
and after that the
climax,
climax,
Excellent.
and then the ending or
ending paragraph.
conclusion.
Very good. Thank you so much. I'm very happy. I enjoyed teaching you today. Okay, that was an excellent class. Very happy to be with you all. Okay, and your interaction was great. You interacted with me very well, and I'm a pleasure to teach you all today. Okay, take care
Yeah,
and
thank you, ma'am.
take care. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
bye
much.
bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
moderator, so much for a fantastic and interactive and lots of informative session.
Yeah,
I'm
thank
sure
you.
our Mandela's learned a lot from you today. And thank you very much once again. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye, class. Take care. Love you all.
Mandela's, please stay back. Yeah, love you too, moderator. Mandela's, please stay back.
Ma'am.
Okay. So Mandela's, how was your English session today?
It was nice, ma'am.
Yeah,
Safiya,
ma'am.
Safiya, wait a minute. Safiya, you could stop the recording, please.